2 blankets. This would have been big enough for all of us.
Yeah, I told Silas to come and I brought one.
I like those. Pop, pop, pop. Says like popcorn.
Yay!
Popcorn.
Well, that's the one we got. 1, 2,
This is actually a good spot.
It's a wonderful spot. Ain't too crowded.
And we better view of these.
Yeah, you can ask for a better shot, I would know.
Yeah, like we are directly in front of them. So we picked a great spot to watch them.
That's cool.
Oh, that one was a hospital.
Oh, look at that.
Cool. Boom. Yay.
Wow. Ooh.
Oh,
That was pretty.
It was pretty.
oh, look, she says free necklace.
She's looking at him. They're pretty. No.
She said free necklace.
No, she didn't. They charge for those.
I don't know what he's doing, but okay.
You think she's gonna get a free necklace?
I don't think she said free necklace.
I don't know what she said, but I don't think she did. They sell those. And they ain't no good by tomorrow, so what they don't sell, they're kind of stuck with. Hop, hop, hop. Here you go. Weren't free, were they?
They're $5.
Yeah, I know. They were. Oh, wow. Look at that one. Those are bright. Look at the colors.
It's like a mini gun.
I'm sorry, that's funny. He ran after her for no
That's almost what mine looked
I
like.
like that one. That one's cool. Yeah, yours did look a lot like that one.
The one I bought?
Yeah. Look at that. That is cool.
Is that what a machine gun sounds like? Or more like that.
Hey, look, they're making clouds.
Yeah.
pretty girl.
No, we gotta go home early.
No, she's not. She's not real upset.
Okay.
Oh, that is